And you see horse and carriages going down the road in Victoria, quite normal with traffic. And they've got built-in chairs here that you can sit and suntan in.
Some dogs don't like scooters. Yes sir, yes sir. Yes sir, where's the bodyguard? You caught me.
You guys are going diving?
Yeah.
Right on. Looks like pretty heavy gear. Is that heavy gear?
It's not bad, you get used to it.
That looks pretty heavy. Yeah, this is where they practice diving down here at the Breakwater in Victoria, BC. We'll take a little walk out here and check out the lighthouse at the very end out there. There comes one of the pilot boats. The pilot boats, they bring the cruise ships in there. And there goes the Helijet taking off. They go to Vancouver. Pilot boats are the boats that help bring the cruise ships in safely. Actually, I think they actually get on and take control of the cruise ship when it comes within a certain distance. They're in charge of driving the cruise ship in and docking it here. Got some native art all the way along, painted along the sides of the walkway here. And it's an absolutely gorgeous day in Victoria, BC. For the last day of July. There's the Olympic Mountains over here, where a lot of our water comes from. Aquifers that come underneath. It's great. And the snowy mountain peaks way back over there. So we're going to walk all the way out to the end here. The divers are in the water here. They just get in off the rocky area here. They're just getting ready to do a little diving.
If I did it wrong, I'm pretty sure it's right.
Beautiful spot, beautiful day to be diving. Well, we're on the Breakwater in Victoria, BC, and we've got another cruise ship coming in over here. The pilot boat's guiding it in. You can see the pilot boat right there at the front, helping it in. Slow and steady. There's already another cruise ship here. Queen Elizabeth. All the pilot boats helping the Carnival cruise ship in behind the Queen Elizabeth cruise ship. So he's kind of helping keep him away there from the other boat, pushing him off. Yeah, we're almost out to the end where the lighthouse is here. These two ships look pretty identical when I compare the sterns. They're almost identical. Same amount of stories, same shape, same size. I think those are ships that are made by the same company. They're almost like sister ships, I'm pretty sure of it. Slightly different configurations on the radar and things, the shape of the smokestack, but that's the only small difference these two ships have. They're in two different companies too. I don't know what the Queen Elizabeth is with, but the Carnival Luminosa is with Carnival Cruise Lines.